busiest I've seen the gym in a very long time. And that's not a complaint. I think that this is a moment for us to invite welcoming energy when we are at the gym these days, because there's probably a lot of new people there who maybe not as comfortable at the gym, and the gym really is a space for everybody. I know it can be frustrating trying to move through a ton of people trying to get your workout in and get to equipment, and I still think it's very important to have a welcoming energy, a welcoming vibe this time of year, because it's just important to make sure that everyone's feeling welcome in the gym and that it is a space for everybody. So that's just a little reminder for that. Is there a kid in this car? There is a kid in this car. Where's his parent? I bet you his parents working out and they left the kid in the car. It's giving neglect. It's giving CPS. I just can't believe I saw a kid in the car. Or maybe they're just running. Oh, he was just running in. Okay, good. Running in to get food. There's like a restaurant next to my gym, but there was a kid in the car. He had sunglasses. I was just worried about his well-being, so. This is my refreshing smoothie, and now I'm about to show you my go-to breakfast that I've been making almost every single day. The fair trade. Very busy today, my friend. Cool. Yeah. Post shower, put on a little bit of makeup. In the new year, I'm going to be paying more attention to just getting ready for the day. I know I've mentioned this previously, but especially on my days off from work, it's just important that I'm intentional about doing things that make me feel really good. So I'm gonna go in with fragrance. So you saw my Burberry blush, which I wore to the gym. I got that for Christmas. It smells divine. And then I'm going to be using this Library of Flowers Parfum. And I want to take a moment to like recognize how important it is to take part in these activities, the little ones that really do make you feel good, mentally, physically, emotionally. That's not something to be put on the back burner. It should be something we're prioritizing, and maybe you just need a reminder of that. I know I did this year and this new year, so it's something of course I'm going to continue to be intentional about, and it does make a difference. Putting all my laundry away, but I'm gonna have one of these Werther's hard candies. I got these in my stocking. Okay, so it's just past 12:30 right now, and I was talking to my mom yesterday about going through the freezer and seeing what we have on stock, seeing what we have on hand, kind of cleaning it out so we can get a good grasp of what we had. So I created a chart. I'm a little nerdy like that. I like charts and diagrams because I'm a visual person. So I created a chart in the Notes app on iPhone, which I will be able to share with my family so they can see also what we have on stock before going to the grocery store tomorrow. So I think it's important to do this every couple of months at least, if you're not going through your food super fast, to see what you have, so you're not buying repeat things, and then also things maybe that got shuffled to the bottom can be moved to the top. You can check expiration dates. So top of the year is the best time to do something like this, but I do think it should be done throughout the year. We're normally pretty good about it, but because of the holidays, we do have some stuff that's kind of gotten piled up. So
3 pounds of ground lamb.
okay, so ground lamb meat, we have
pound of wagyu.
Oh, you already got those bites.
Yeah.
So as far as meat,
Quite a bit of meat. I'm trying to figure out how to, oh, beautiful. Okay gang, so I've been chilling. I did hang up some of my activewear that I washed. For lunch I had some leftover catfish. There's like 3 small pieces, and then I had a little some chicken egg rolls that we had left over from New Year's Eve. So that's all I had so far. I did drink one of my water bottles. I'm working on this second one. But I did want to share something with you. This is my new pill container that I got for Christmas. This is one of my favorite gifts, you guys. I've been so much more consistent with taking my vitamins. I would just forget, it would slip my mind, and this is just a great way to like divvy them out and like remember to take them. So I'm kind of obsessed with it, and it's been keeping me super consistent with taking my vitamins. So I'm going to take these really quick, and I'm actually going to do a little bit of work in my planner. If you guys don't know, I love Silk and Sonder planners, and I've collaborated with them a few times. You know, Janet Domahina, she said one of her themes or whatever for the year is fail to plan or plan to fail. And I just want to get more consistent with planning my days out, the hours that I do have in the day, planning them out more consistently. I would say that's like probably one of the closest things I have to a New Year's resolution, because I just find that I use my time more effectively when I use my planner and I work in my planner and I plan my days out, and I have all these video ideas, and which is great, but I need to have like, I want to have a concrete plan for each of my videos, and then a plan and schedule for when I'm going to film those videos and edit those videos. So yeah, I'm gonna get working on that after I take my vitamins, and then I'll probably go for a walk and enjoy coffee. We got 4,800 steps, so I'm gonna get ready to go for a walk, especially because it's 60 degrees out.